Buckle up, physics enthusiasts and curious minds alike, because today we're embarking on a mind-bending exploration of higher dimensions, particularly the mysterious 10th dimension. We'll delve into the realm beyond our wildest imaginations, pushing the boundaries of what we thought we knew about the universe. Hang around until the end of the video to find out about all the potential levels of beings existing in higher dimensions. Imagine yourself as a fish swimming in a two-dimensional pond. Your entire reality is confined to this flat plane, oblivious to the vast three-dimensional world existing above you. One day, you're scooped out of the pond and suddenly experience a whole new dimension, the concept of up. This is a reality you couldn't even fathom before. Theoretical physicist Michio Kaku uses this analogy to explain how our understanding of the universe might be limited. We might just be like those fish, stuck in our own three-dimensional perception, unable to conceive of the vastness beyond. In physics, we're familiar with the three spatial dimensions, length, width, and height, but what if there's more? Enter the concept of hyperspace, realms beyond our human perception. Our journey begins in the late 19th century with the revolutionary work of mathematicians like Hermann Minkowski and physicists like James Clerk Maxwell. They hinted at a connection between the spatial dimensions and a fundamental entity, time. This paved the way for Einstein's groundbreaking theory of relativity, which proposed that space and time are interwoven into a single fabric, space-time. String theory, a theory aiming to unify quantum mechanics and general relativity, suggests that our universe is made of tiny vibrating strings existing in 10 dimensions. These strings, each with their unique frequency, give rise to the diverse particles and forces we observe. However, there's a twist. Physicist Edward Witten proposed an 11th dimension, where other higher dimensional objects called brains could exist. Our universe itself could be a giant membrane vibrating in this higher dimensional space. Here's an interesting thought. Gravity, despite being a fundamental force, is surprisingly weak. Think about it. You can easily overcome Earth's gravity to get up and walk. Some physicists speculate that gravity might seep across these dimensional brains, explaining its weakness in our universe. John William Dunn, an Irish engineer and philosopher, proposed a thought-provoking idea, the possibility of multiple dimensions of time. This challenges our usual perception of time as a single linear dimension. Imagine someone inside a supermassive black hole. How would we measure their experience of time compared to ours? Perhaps they inhabit a different temporal dimension altogether. This concept gets even more mind-blowing when we consider the possibility of infinitely nested time dimensions. Consider twins, Ace and Bob. Ace, the adventurous one, takes a high-speed spaceship journey into space while Bob stays on Earth. When Ace returns, he's significantly younger than Bob, a consequence of time dilation explained by Einstein's theory of relativity. But what if they shared identical DNA? Ace might even be able to predict future health issues Bob would face based on his own timeline, offering a glimpse into the future. This scenario demonstrates how higher dimensions of time could alter our understanding of causality. Let's move beyond thought experiments and consider the concept of higher dimensional beings. Imagine beings existing in a fourth dimension. They might perceive our 3D world as a 3D snapshot inside their brains, allowing them to comprehend time as another navigable dimension. Here's where things get truly fascinating. Let's explore different potential levels of beings existing in higher dimensions. Alpha, 3D. This is us experiencing a linear flow of time. Beta, 4D. These beings might perceive time like a movie on DVD, able to fast forward, rewind, or revisit specific moments in their lives, similar to the scene in Interstellar where Cooper navigates the Tesseract. Gamma, 5D. Imagine having access to your entire life's chronology at once, like a film strip. You could analyze every moment, emotion, and event in detail. Delta, 6D. Here beings can see not just their own life, but a vast network of branching possibilities, each representing a different choice or outcome. Think of Doctor Strange peering into the future to see all the potential battles with Thanos. Epsilon beings, existing in a seventh dimension, could go even deeper. They could potentially navigate through a vast ocean of possibilities, each representing a different set of initial conditions for the universe itself. Imagine being able to witness endless versions of the Big Bang, each leading to a unique cosmos. As we venture deeper, the concepts become increasingly speculative, pushing the boundaries of what we can comprehend with our current scientific understanding. Here's a glimpse into the possibilities of the 8th, 9th, and 10th dimensions. 8th dimension, theta. Imagine a dimension encompassing every possible history for our universe, not just the one we inhabit. This dimension could contain timelines where dinosaurs never became extinct, or where humanity evolved in radically different ways. It's a realm of what-ifs, where every potential path the universe could have taken exists simultaneously. 9th dimension, iota. This dimension gets even more mind-bending. Here we might encounter all the possible physical laws and constants that govern different universes within the multiverse. Imagine a vast library containing the blueprints for countless realities, each with its unique set of rules and fundamental forces. 10th dimension, omega. The 10th dimension, often referred to as the omega point, represents the ultimate realm of possibilities. It's a place where all conceivable realities, all physical laws, and all conceivable histories converge. It's a realm beyond our current ability to comprehend, potentially encompassing the entirety of existence itself. By its very nature, the 10th dimension is difficult to grasp. It's a place where all limitations of time, space, and physical laws might cease to exist. Here are some mind-blowing possibilities of what accessing the 10th dimension could entail. Unifying the laws of physics. Imagine a world where the fundamental forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, the strong and weak nuclear forces, are no longer separate entities. In the 10th dimension, these forces might be unified into a single, all-encompassing framework, revealing the ultimate structure of the universe. Transcending time and space. The limitations of linear time and three-dimensional space might become obsolete. You could potentially experience all moments in existence simultaneously, or travel to any point in space and time without constraints. Infinite knowledge and understanding. Accessing the 10th dimension could grant you access to the totality of knowledge, allowing you to comprehend the nature of reality in its entirety. You might understand the origin of the universe, the ultimate fate of existence, and the answers to all the unanswered questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. However, it's important to remember that these are just speculative possibilities. The 10th dimension might be something entirely different, beyond our current ability to imagine. The concept of accessing the 10th dimension comes with significant challenges. The limits of human perception. Our brains, having evolved in a three-dimensional world, might struggle to even comprehend the nature of the 10th dimension, let alone navigate it. The impossibility of travel. With our current understanding of physics, traveling to the 10th dimension might be impossible. The vastness of this realm and the potential differences in its fundamental laws might make such a journey beyond our technological capabilities. Even though accessing the 10th dimension might be beyond our current grasp, the concept itself holds immense value. It pushes us to think beyond the limitations of our everyday experience, to explore the vastness of the cosmos, and to contemplate the ultimate nature of reality. The search for evidence of higher dimensions continues. As our scientific understanding evolves and our technology advances, we might one day find clues that point towards the existence of these realms. Perhaps future discoveries in quantum gravity, string theory, or the study of the multiverse will shed light on these fascinating concepts. Thank you for joining me on this mind-bending adventure. What are your thoughts on higher dimensions? Do you believe they exist? Share your ideas in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more scientific explorations. Stay curious and keep exploring.